Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your listings on Facebook Marketplace on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Marketplace at the bottom of your screen. Once Marketplace opens, look at the top right corner on the screen. Tap on Profile or Person icon. This opens your Marketplace menu. Now tap on your listings. This is where all your items are stored. Here you will see a different sections like active listings, sold listings or expired listings. If you see an item, check each section carefully. Sometimes listings are expired, not deleted. If you want to edit a listing, tap on it. You can change the price, photos or description. And that's it. That's how to find your Facebook Marketplace listings on iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.